and what you do is you click on the signed syllabus, click submit assignment, go down here, you choose your file, you can upload, whatever the file may be. Let's see if I have a document. Nothing. Okay, let me see if I have something here. Let's just say I'm going to add this. I click this. It tells me there. I can write a comment. You can write a comment to me, and then you click submit assignment, and it will tell you submitting. And once it says, it should say submit. Okay. Let's see what happens. If you leave. Shouldn't take this long, so I don't know what's happening, right? But it should say submit, and then you can know. It will tell you if it's been submitted. Okay, let me know.